turn left. That's a Supra. Nice. So earlier during the week, me and my guy Joe met up and he let me take his GT3RS for a spin. Now, if you guys know me, you guys know that Porsche is like my dream car. I've always wanted one of these things. I always talk about it on the channel. You guys are probably annoyed, especially because all I do is drive BMWs and talk about Porsches. But today is the day I finally have the tip-top notch Porsche on the channel, and I'm going to drive and give you guys my thoughts and impressions. And spoiler alert, it's not as good as I thought it was. So hope you guys enjoy this video. M4 behind us though, that shit looks menacing.
I know.
No? It looks sexy.
It do.
Woo. It's a lot slower than the M4. It feels weird, right?
Oh yeah, 100%. It doesn't take the turns like the M4 either.
Yeah, no, it handles good though. That's not my car. It's like a race car. You like the sound? I like the sound more than the M4 though.
Yeah, I like the sound. I mean, I like the fact that the seats hold you, but that's about it.
Woo! You liking them turbo? You see it behind us?
Mm-hmm.
This is like one of those things where you meet your superhero,
yep,
and it turns out it's not
exactly what you. Yep.
Yeah. Looking at my own damn car.
I know. Look at it go.
See, that thing takes off.
Do you hear it though?
Yeah. Yo, there's nothing better than following your own car in a GT3. still beat. Take this off. There you go, buddy. I was gonna do the hat mount, but I want to make sure I see everything on the road. Yeah, so what are your first thoughts of the car?
I think it's way too small. The seats is uncomfortable.
All right, you have anything good to say?
You can't come. It's nice.
What driving this has taught me, the M4 is a hell of a car for $82,000. So scared because it's not mine.
Oh, please don't be scared.
Huh?
I said, please don't be scared.
No, I mean like the bumps.
Maybe private like you.
Yo, it's a scary feeling. It sounds good.
It
like
sounds
the sound
amazing.
is way better than the M4.
Yeah.
Oh. It sounds beautiful. It's just. See, the thing is, the GT3RS is a phenomenal car, and it left me speechless during the review. However, I'm just a regular dude that likes to hoon around with his friends, drive the occasional like canyon style roads, and dominate in highway straight line. And the BMW M4 just does it better for me for a lot less of the cost, which made me come to the conclusion that the GT3RS is just not for me. But it is a dope car though. Stay tuned.